Hey guys, I am doing a new filming location because I'm in the kitchen watching my kids swim outside. Anyway, I went to Joann and got some paper. They had some stuff on sale. I think the open stock paper was 40% off. I do think this is a Heidi Swab paper. My cat was just up here, of course. But I thought it'd go good with some of the line pictures I took out of town. This one, the freaking chair is wobbly. I think this goes with the Good Vibes. I might have some of these, but I am loving the Good Vibes. Even though I'm not liking cactuses, I think this is here and there. Here's some more cactuses. Here's another house. And then I'm making right now a mini album of the sunny days. So last night, what I did was I bought some stuff from AC Digitals and I cut it out on I printed it out and fussy cut it. So I'm really, really loving this collection. I love ephemera from the paper collection, so I got some paper to match today. So I got this one. I can't wait to show you guys my my mini album I'm making. It's super, super cute. It's better than the last one I made. And there's that, and then this is a cut apart. And then on the back is this. Here's another cut apart so I can cut the butterflies or the black and white photos. That's why I got 2 pages. And these were 30% off. I love this one. I think this one's my favorite. There's that. I really like the back of that one. It's kind of plain. There's that. I wonder if I turn this light on. That'll make it better. I don't know. Maybe worse. This is another cut apart. Did I already show you this one? I think I did. So, this was at Joann. Well, okay. Let me show you part of this. This is the sunny days as well. Ooh, that's a pretty one. It's like a holographic or iridescent. So I'm excited to use those. These were all 30% off. That's all I got for sunny day, but I did get this. This was 30% off. I just thought these would be cute for die cuts, little girls and stuff like that. This was on clearance, and they're sequins. They're big unicorn heads. And then next to that were these. These were 60% off. These were 70, and these were 70% off. So I got 2 of those, and I got another one of these. So those will be cute to make some charms to hang off my mini albums. So that's why I got these. These were 50% off. So I go with that, which is why I got these, because I have silver, I don't have any gold. And then I thought this would look really good with the summer lights. This was 60% off as well, and I did get some summer lights cut apart. So last night I was cutting and fussy cutting those from AC Digitals, because you know I'm in love with that collection so much. So much. So I thought that'd go really well with that. And then this is boring. That. And my most exciting thing I got, which is a Bodabra. $5.47. I used to have one, and it was the old one that was made of wood and had 2 sticks, and got jacked out of storage because somebody wanted to steal. So that was nice. So I am so excited to use this because I haven't made both. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? Look what it comes with, the CD-ROM. Oh, it's a DVD. That's funny. And it comes with, oh wow, it comes with faux twine wire. How fun. I can't wait to look at this, guys. This is the new one. This is all plastic. $5. I don't know what the regular price was. It was marked down to like 9 or 7, but wow, this was in store. I don't think it was this clearance price online. I'm excited to see what I can make with these because I haven't done this in so long, but I had to get it, so it was a good deal. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys.